Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the world's most fascinating beverages. Today, we're delving into the secrets of a Brazilian cocktail that's gaining popularity worldwide, the Caipiroska. Get ready to be astonished by some lesser-known facts about this delightful twist on the classic Caipirinha. Let's jump right in. Caipiroska may sound similar to Caipirinha, but they have a key difference: the spirit used. Instead of cachaça, the Caipiroska uses vodka as its base. It's believed to have originated in Brazil in the late 20th century, quickly becoming a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Vodka's role in the Caipiroska has a fascinating history. In the 1960s and 1970s, Brazil experienced a surge in vodka imports due to a popular Russian ballet tour. This influx of vodka inspired mixologists to experiment, giving rise to the Caipiroska as a vodka-based alternative to the traditional Caipirinha. Just like the Caipirinha, the Caipiroska offers a wide range of fruity variations. Instead of using the traditional lime, you can create Caipiroskas with a diverse array of fruits, such as strawberry, pineapple, mango, and passion fruit, adding a tropical twist to this beloved cocktail. The secret to a delectable Caipiroska lies in the proper muddling technique. Gently crushing the fruit with sugar ensures the release of essential oils and juices, infusing the vodka with the fruit's natural flavors for a mouth-watering experience. What began as a Brazilian innovation has now spread to the world's cocktail scene. The Caipiroska's simplicity and versatility have made it a popular choice in bars and restaurants worldwide, often featured in exotic drink menus. Contemporary mixologists have taken the Caipiroska to the next level by experimenting with different types of vodka and infusing the drink with unique herbs and spices. This innovative approach has reinvigorated the classic cocktail for modern tastes. Like its predecessor, the Caipiroska is a drink meant for bonding and celebration. In Brazil, sharing a Caipiroska with friends is a cherished tradition, emphasizing the spirit of camaraderie and joy. And there you have it, a journey into the mysteries of the Brazilian Caipiroska. From its vodka-infused origins to its worldwide popularity, this delightful cocktail offers a fresh take on a beloved classic. Next time you're at a bar or hosting a gathering, surprise your friends with a Caipiroska, and they'll be captivated by this hidden gem of a drink. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing beverage explorations. Until next time, cheers and sode.